Welcome to Chef Rafi's show.
Welcome! Today we have a very special episode for you. Chef Rafi's grandmother will be cooking in this episode. She flew all the way from the Philippines to show us how to cook lengua in red sauce the Filipino way.
Today we are going to make broth lenguas. My friend Michael because he loves lengua.
Jugando en la oscuridad, bebé, yo quise verte así, mirando hacia aquí, hacia allá, buscando mi cuerpo allí, bebé, mírame a mí.
Lengua is one of the softest meats, so Chef Rafi loves to eat it.
Ven y atrévete a bailar. Hey, babe, ¿a qué estás jugando? A ver si te atreves a venir, a ver si te atreves a venir aquí.
Ma-infuse na doon yung timpla sa loob.
This dish was brought to the Philippines from Spain. The star anise, bay leaf, pepper, and onions enhance the aroma and also make an excellent broth. Simmer on very low heat so the meat becomes tender. If you cool the broth, you can scoop out the lard from the top.
Suavecito, amor mío, acércate a gozar, estás en camino.
You do not have to remove the fat, but we are being healthy today.
Quitándome la ropa, con los labios cómeme, con la boca. Hey, babe, ¿a qué estás jugando? A ver si te atreves a venir, a ver si te atreves a venir aquí.
You can fry the lengua after it's cooked to brown the sides. You can now eat the lengua as is, but we are going to add it to a Spanish red tomato sauce. Some people also cook this in white sauce. You can reserve the broth to make soup later. We will add soy sauce to brown the tomato sauce. Make sure you use green olives. We are using olives from Spain. decorate this dish however you like. This is usually eaten with rice. Chef Rafi wanted it with noodles today. Are you Filipino? Tell us where you're from and your favorite dish. What would you like Chef Rafi to cook next? Put it in the comments below or write us at chefrafi.com.
This is Sunny Sharde. Thank you so much for watching Chef Rafi's cooking show. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click on the little bell for notifications. And don't forget to check out my channel at Sunny Sharde. Bye!
Chef Rafi films videos all over the world. Where will Chef Rafi go next? Subscribe to find out.